Defining your niche, a guide to specialization in English learning. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about an important concept in personal and professional development, and that is how to define your niche. This phrase is key for anyone looking to focus their efforts and succeed in a specific area. So, let's dive in and explore what it really means to define your niche, especially in the context of English language learning. The phrase, define your niche, is made up of two key words, define and niche. To define means to clearly identify or describe something. A niche, in a broad sense, refers to a specialized segment of the market for a particular kind of product or service. When we say, define your niche, we are essentially talking about identifying and focusing on a particular area that you excel in or are particularly interested in. In English learning, this could mean focusing on specific skills like business English, English literature, or conversational English. Why is finding your niche so important? Well, when you focus on a specific area, you can tailor your learning process, resources, and time to become an expert in that field. This focused approach can lead to more effective learning, better results, and even career opportunities if you are learning English for professional reasons. It's all about knowing where your strengths lie and concentrating your efforts there. 1. Self-assessment. Start by evaluating your interests, strengths, and goals in English learning. What aspects of the language or culture fascinate you the most? 2. Research. Look into different fields within English learning. This might include business English, academic English, or even cultural studies. 3. Experimentation. Try your hand at various aspects of English. Notice what keeps you engaged and motivated. 4. Consultation. Talk to teachers, mentors, or peers. Their insights can help clarify which niche might suit you best. 5. Decision. Based on your assessment, research, experimentation, and consultations, decide on the niche you want to focus on. Once you have defined your niche, you will enjoy numerous benefits. Improved focus. Your learning becomes more targeted and efficient. Increased motivation. Working within your area of interest keeps you more engaged. Better opportunities. Specializing in a niche can open specific opportunities, be it in education or career. I hope this video has helped you understand the importance of finding and defining your niche in English learning. Remember, the key is to focus on what interests you the most and where you see yourself excelling. This approach not only makes learning more enjoyable but also more fruitful in the long run. Keep practicing, and don't forget to focus on your niche. See you in the next video.